Ghostette Dani here. So we are at Old Key West in a 2-bedroom villa. And producer Dan and I have been blown away. This is amazing. I always kind of wrote off Key West and I shouldn't have, guys. It's great. So because this room is so big, we're actually gonna do 2 videos. This one I'm gonna basically do a quick overview. I'm gonna show you the layout. So if that's kind of all you need to know if you're wondering about space, this is the video. If you want like real details about the room, then you're gonna wanna look at our more detailed video. So here we go, we're in the entryway. Right off the bat, we have a closet. We have some cleaning stuff we could use. We have hangers, so much closet space and so many hangers, guys. So you've got a closet. Here's our entryway. Here is one of the bedrooms. So as you can see, we've got 2 beds, a table area, and a walk-in closet. This is pretty crazy. So much space, so much storage space. So second bedroom has its own TV. Come in here. So each bedroom actually has 2 sink and vanity areas. This is so great. So we've got this sink and vanity area, yet another closet with more hangers. And so coming here to the actual bathroom, we've got our second sink and vanity area. Obviously toilets, bathtub, shower, the refillable sea salt amenities. Plenty of towels. We actually almost missed them. So many towels. So bathroom, vanity area. So that's one of the bedrooms. So come out here. Let's do the living room. And this is so spacious, you guys. Oh my goodness. Like, so spacious. It's fantastic. So much windows, great dining area. Over here, I don't necessarily specifically know what you use this for, but it's a great just open space. These cabinets are very large. And because we're in a 2-bedroom villa, we have a full kitchen. So full fridge, freezer, microwave, stove, oven. Check out the hidden Mickey. Yep. And in a villa, you guys, you get actual real dishes, which is great. You could cook a whole Thanksgiving meal in here if you wanted to. So shelves. Real coffee maker, not the single serve kind, which is great. So living room, kitchen. So now we're gonna come down the hallway because there's a hallway. Laundry room, like actual laundry room. It's pretty awesome. And then in here, this is the master bathroom. So first sink and vanity area for this bedroom. Good size, big 7 shower, like very big. One of the best kinds of shower heads too. Okay, so toilet, shower in one room. And now we have the second sink and vanity area. It's big, it's beautiful, super functional. And we have this bathtub that is the size of a hot tub. It is so great. There's a seat in there, lots of counter space. We've got another closet with your extra blanket, extra pillow, lots of hangers. The safe is in here. And then, stay right there. Let me show you our fun window. There we are. How great, right? So now in here, it's the main bedroom. And again, it's huge in here, you guys. Oh my gosh, so big. So we've got lots of drawers you could unpack in. We've got a nice place to put your suitcases out. Chair, king size bed. So many lights, like actual lights, so many lamps. Like you could set this villa up to be lit exactly specifically the way that you would like. And then again, lots of windows, and we have a door from the master bedroom out onto the veranda. This particular room has a cute view of the pond. Little dining set out here. Unfortunately, we didn't get to enjoy it this time because it is cold. Guys, if you think that Florida never gets cold. Whew. And then the main entrance onto the veranda, which brings us back to the living room. So, big. Oh, the couch is a pull-out. And then the chair is also a single pull-out. And this lamp, by the way, is a 3-setting lamp, dimmable. So big, you guys. It's so great. We've been very impressed. It's so nice, and it's seriously, it's so big. I mean, you could put 3, 5, you could put 7 people in here like very comfortably, and you wouldn't even have to have suitcases out, and you can even go up from there. So great, big room. If you need space, awesome. So, and then again, we'll be doing a second video. If you want the details, then go check out our other Old Key West 2-bedroom villa video.